Choosing the right door for your Richland Hills home is more than just a design decision. It's about security, energy efficiency, durability, and making a strong first impression. With the variety of options available today, homeowners can easily find a door that fits both their lifestyle and the local climate. The key is knowing what to prioritize before making your investment. Start by considering the purpose of the door. Your front entry door, for example, plays a major role in curb appeal and security. It should be sturdy, visually appealing, and able to withstand daily use. On the other hand, patio or back doors often prioritize natural light and easy access to outdoor spaces. Understanding how each door will function in your home helps narrow down the best materials and styles. Material is one of the most important factors to evaluate. Steel doors are a popular choice for homeowners who want maximum security and low maintenance. They are resistant to warping and cracking, making them ideal for long-term durability. Fiberglass doors, meanwhile, offer the look of wood without the upkeep. They are energy efficient and hold up well against temperature changes, which is especially useful in areas that experience both hot summers and cooler seasons. Wood doors provide timeless beauty and customization options, but they do require more maintenance to protect against moisture and wear. Energy efficiency should also be high on your checklist. A well-insulated door can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills throughout the year. Look for doors with proper sealing, insulated cores, and energy-efficient glass if the design includes windows. In a place like Richland Hills, where temperatures can fluctuate, having a door that minimizes air leaks can make a noticeable difference in comfort and cost savings. Style and design are where you can truly personalize your home. Your door should complement the architectural style of your house while reflecting your personal taste. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or something more traditional with decorative glass panels, there are endless options to explore. Color also plays a role. Bold colors can create a striking focal point, while neutral tones offer a classic, timeless appearance. Security features are another critical consideration. A high-quality locking system, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials can provide peace of mind for you and your family. Many modern doors come with advanced security options, including smart locks and multi-point locking systems. Investing in these features ensures that your home remains safe without sacrificing style. Don't overlook the importance of proper installation. Even the best door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, and poor sealing can lead to drafts, security issues, and reduced lifespan. Working with experienced professionals ensures that your door fits perfectly and functions as intended from day one. Budget is, of course, a practical factor. While it may be tempting to choose the least expensive option, it's important to think long-term. A higher quality door may come with a bigger upfront cost but can save money over time through improved durability, energy efficiency, and reduced maintenance. Consider it an investment in your home's value and comfort. Finally, think about maintenance requirements. Some materials require regular upkeep, such as painting or sealing, while others are virtually maintenance-free. Choosing a door that fits your lifestyle will help you keep it looking and performing its best for years to come. By taking the time to evaluate these factors, purpose, material, energy efficiency, style, security, installation, budget, and maintenance, you can confidently choose a door that enhances both the beauty and functionality of your Richland Hills home.